Reality has often been perceived as a tangible entity, something we can touch, see, hear, smell, and taste. However, as we delve deeper into understanding our existence, we may come across a realization that reality is more complex than the mere physical world. The abstract nature of reality leads to questions like, is reality merely a construction of our minds? Is our consciousness the creator of our reality, or is it the result of something outside of us? One of the central themes in understanding reality is the role of consciousness. Consciousness is often seen as our window to the world, a tool that helps us interact with the external environment. It shapes our reality by filtering the vastness of existence, distilling the profound from the mundane. Our senses play a crucial role in this process. They allow us to perceive the world, yet they have their limits. They can only grasp a fraction of reality, and to overcome these limits, we've created tools that extend our reach beyond our natural perception. The realm of quantum physics provides intriguing insights into the nature of reality. At the most fundamental level, particles behave in ways that challenge our traditional understanding of reality. The dual nature of particles as waves and matter, and their behavior changing with observation, hints at a reality far more complex than a mere three-dimensional perspective. Our traditional view of reality is three-dimensional, constrained by the predominant paradigm of duality. This duality shapes all aspects of the physical and spiritual on Earth. However, the three-dimensional nature of our world limits our worldview, only allowing us to understand a mere construct of reality. The interconnectedness of the cosmos is another fascinating aspect that sheds light on our understanding of reality. We, humans, are made up of the same atoms and particles found throughout the universe. On a fundamental level, we are products of evolution, shaped by natural processes taking place throughout the cosmos. The particles and fields in the universe interact with each other according to fundamental laws, and we are an intrinsic part of this interconnected system. Transcending the ego is an essential step in understanding the true nature of reality. Our ego often limits our perception, making us see ourselves as separate entities. However, as we transcend the ego, we begin to see the interconnectedness of all existence, making us realize that we are not separate but an intrinsic part of the cosmos. The universes within and without are reflections of each other. As Alan Watts once pondered, through our eyes, the universe is perceiving itself, and through our ears, the universe is listening to its harmonies. We are the witnesses through which the universe becomes conscious of its glory and magnificence. In conclusion, reality is far from being merely tangible. It's a complex interplay of our consciousness, the external environment, and the fundamental laws of the universe. As we journey through understanding the essence of life and the nature of reality, we may find that reality is not just a construction of our minds but a profound interconnectedness that binds us all. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.